One, keep stuck it out. Don't give up though the pace seems slow. You might succeed with another blow.
Ding dong, ding dong. Hello guys, it's Sunday. It's November now, sweet November. The weather for an autumn is great. The leaves are falling from the trees, but still there are a lot of them. And it's shiny, so perfect weather. Today I'd like to invite you to my Sunday workout day. The plan for this day is to do a proper trainer workout, but to add something to it. Now I will pack my things and my toys, and I will go to the club, jump into the pool, do some laps, maybe hit the gym later, and fast stretching and rolling. Then I will come back here and choose a workout, which I will be doing on my bike during the trainer session. That's the plan for today. And tomorrow I will be running with my brother and the Independence Run. Every year he runs there in Lugon near Poznan, but this year I decided to do it with him. So nice, easy, steady pace, just to have fun. That's the plan for tomorrow. Anyways, that's it for today. Stay if you want to be a part of my day, and I will see you in a bit, guys.
You must kiss me more often from now on.
You know something? I feel this is my first victory over machines.
It's quite simple.
My life is a full of people's faces. Within a lot of change I pulled away. My life, coś dalej. So I just keep on walking down this open road, hoping someone somewhere needs me. So I just keep on walking down this open road, talking to the man who knows me well. The man is me. Look out, man, 'cause I'm right in here. I love the guys who don't look at the mirrors. Okay, I'm here. Check out the song The Open Road by Gary Barlow. It's dope in my sense of dope. What is your sense of dope? You don't see me right now as I'm looking on the screen. Woo! Close one, but I'm here. Okay. It's nothing like take a parking spot without the camera in your hand. Making the material. All right, I'm in.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, 'cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep, and let's pretend that nothing ever happened on that night. I shouldn't have spoke, Cause you didn't feel the same way about me, and it's eating me alive all of the time. So I'd rather keep my distance.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, it's getting darker. I am my chariot of fire, and I'm heading home. Eat something, drink something, enjoy a nice cup of coffee to recharge my battery to the level which allow me to hop on my bike and do something. It won't be a full effort workout, but it would be something. And that is all about, you got to do this rep by rep, day by day. Sometimes you fail, but the main point is to not fail in getting back up to do this again, because both, if you have a winner, if you have a loser, both would fail, but the winner is the one who will get back up and do it again. So be this guy, not the guy who lay down and won't get up. Always get up, guys. and do this again. Catch you later. Going home. Okay, back in my cave. Let the fun begin. So, I almost managed to do the whole workout, but after 40 minutes I lowered the numbers around 10%, so in my case it's approximately 20 watts, but then everything goes smooth and I finished the workout. 1 hour 10 minutes, and now I'm doing 10 minutes cool down, so the whole workout will be hour and 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm very satisfied with this workout, even though I have this run tomorrow and I'm not sure it will be fun for me, but good night's sleep today, rest, eat something, put on some fluids, and everything will be okay. Once again, thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, share this video if you like it, and see you in the next one. Bye guys.